Have you ever wished you could add a few extra inches to your height? While genetics play a significant role, recent scientific insights offer a tantalizing possibility using Wolff's Law to enhance your growth potential. This script delves into this lesser-known technique, revealing how you can leverage this principle to potentially grow taller. Understanding Wolff's Law. Wolff's Law, named after the German surgeon Julius Wolff, posits that bones adapt to the mechanical stresses they experience. In simpler terms, when bones are subjected to stress, they become stronger and denser. This principle is commonly applied in orthopedic and rehabilitative medicine, but recent research suggests it could have broader applications. Applying Wolff's Law to height growth. To leverage Wolff's Law for increasing height, focus on activities and techniques that maximize bone stress and promote growth in the long bones of your body, such as the femur and tibia. Incorporate stretching and flexibility exercises. While stretching may not directly increase bone length, it can improve your posture and make you appear taller. Incorporate stretching routines focusing on spinal stretches. Exercises like the cat-cow stretch and cobra pose can help elongate the spine and improve flexibility. Leg stretches, hamstring stretches, and calf stretches can enhance overall leg flexibility and contribute to a more extended posture. Maintain proper nutrition. Bone health is closely linked to nutrition. Ensure your diet includes calcium-rich foods. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods support bone density. Vitamin D essential for calcium absorption. Sources include sunlight exposure and foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products. Protein. Adequate protein intake from sources like lean meats, beans, and legumes supports bone repair and growth. 4. Prioritize sleep and recovery. Growth hormone, which plays a crucial role in bone growth, is predominantly secreted during deep sleep. To optimize growth potential, aim for quality sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Create a restful environment. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create a conducive sleeping environment free from distractions. 5. Implement postural practices. Good posture can significantly impact how tall you appear. Focus on postural exercises. Strengthen your core and back muscles to support an upright posture. Regular posture checks. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day, especially while sitting or standing for long periods. 6. Explore growth hormone stimulation. While not directly related to Wolff's Law, understanding and potentially stimulating growth hormone production can complement your efforts. Techniques include regular exercise. As mentioned, exercise stimulates growth hormone release. Healthy lifestyle choices. Avoid substances that can inhibit growth hormone production, such as excessive caffeine or alcohol. Conclusion. While Wolff's Law offers an intriguing approach to potentially enhancing height through bone stimulation, it's essential to combine these techniques with a holistic lifestyle. Regular weight-bearing exercises, proper nutrition, adequate sleep, and good posture all contribute to maximizing your growth potential. Remember, while you may not achieve dramatic changes, these practices can help you reach your full genetic potential and improve your overall well-being. By integrating these strategies into your daily routine, you can harness the power of Wolff's Law to work towards a taller, healthier you.